In our previous part, we discussed about the equation of the parabola in the standard form y square is equal to 4x and various forms of the parabola y square is equal to 4x, y square is equal to minus 4x, x square is equal to 4ay, x square is equal to minus 4ay. In that four cases, the vertex is origin 0, 0 and the axis is on either x-axis or on y-axis. But in this case, the vertex is other than the origin and axis is parallel to x-axis or y-axis. The following cases are arise. In the first case, if the equation of the parabola is y minus k whole square is equal to 4e into x minus h. Here the vertex is hk, not 0, 0. A is equal to vertex, that is equal to hk. So you observe the axis parallel to x-axis. Axis parallel to x-axis. In this case, the formula is like this. Axis is parallel to x-axis. So equation of the axis y minus k is equal to 0. Vertex A is equal to hk. Focus S is equal to h plus a k. Equation of the director is x is equal to h minus a. Equation tangent at vertex is x minus h is equal to 0. Length of the lattice rectum is equal to 4a. So if the equation of the parabola is of the form y minus k whole square is equal to 4e into x minus h, in this case the vertex is not origin, that here the vertex is hk and axis is parallel to x-axis. This is another case, x minus h whole square is equal to 4a into y minus k. In this case, the axis is parallel to y-axis. Axis parallel to y-axis. So equation of the axis is x minus h is equal to 0. If we observe, here square is for x minus h. So that is the equation of the axis. Simply x minus h whole square. So x minus h is equal to 0 is equation of the axis. In previous case also y minus k whole square. So equation of the axis y minus k. Okay. Focus is h a plus k. Equation of the directrix is y is equal to k minus a. Equation of the tangent at the vertex. This is simply the coefficient of 4a. 4a into y minus k here. So y minus k is equivalent tangent at the vertex. Okay. Length of the lattice rectum is 4a. Okay. In this case, these are the formulas. Okay. Now we discussed in 6 cases. The axis is on the either x-axis or on the y-axis. The axis is neither parallel to x-axis nor parallel to x-axis. This case parallel to y-axis. Now we discussed about another case. If the axis is neither parallel to x-axis nor parallel to y-axis. You observe, this is the x-axis and this is the y-axis. This is the origin. Suppose this is the axis of the parabola. Is this axis parallel to either x-axis or y-axis? Yes, no. This axis is neither parallel to x-axis nor parallel to y-axis. In this case, focus is always on the axis. Suppose this is the focus S. Okay, this is the vertex A. This is our parabola. This is the directrix of the parabola. Now, you observe, this is the axis not parallel to x-axis, not parallel to y-axis. In this case, the equation of the parabola with focus alpha beta and directrix Lx plus My plus n is equal to 0 is x minus alpha whole square plus y minus beta whole square is equal to Lx plus My plus n whole square by L square plus m square. This is nothing but, if you observe, this is Sp square. For parabola, Sp by Pm is equal to 1. So Sp is equal to Pm. Sp square means the distance between S and P. Suppose P is xy, focus S is alpha beta. So Sp is x minus alpha whole square plus y minus beta whole square is equal to Pm. PM is the perpendicular distance from P x1 y1 to the directrix Lx plus My plus n is equal to 0. So Lx plus My plus n by root of L square plus m square is PM. So PM square. So Lx plus My plus n whole square by L square plus m square. This is the equation of the parabola in the with the focus alpha beta and the directrix Lx plus My plus n is equal to 0. This is simply nothing but by using definition SP by PM is equal to 1, the locus of P is the equation of the parabola. Okay. So here the equation of the axis of the parabola is simply m into x minus alpha minus L into y minus beta is equal to 0, because the directrix is perpendicular to the axis. Okay. This is a special condition. Now note 2 is very important to 7 marks in our IPE. In IPE asked to find the equation of parabola whose axis is parallel to x-axis and passes through the 3 points. 3 points are given. The parabola is passes through that 3 points. For that problem we apply the note 2. Equation of the parabola whose axis is parallel to x-axis is Ly square plus My plus n. Equation of the parabola whose axis is parallel to x-axis is x is equal to quadratic expression in terms of y. Equation of the parabola whose axis is parallel to y-axis is y is equal to Lx square plus mx plus n. That means if the axis is parallel to y-axis, y is equal to quadratic expression in terms of x. If the axis is parallel to x-axis, x is equal to quadratic expression in terms of y, where L, M, N are real numbers and L must be not equals to 0. Okay. Now we discuss about focal distance. What is meant by focal distance? Suppose this is the parabola. This is the axis of the parabola. This is a point focus S. This is a point on the parabola which is denoted by P. This distance from S to P is called focal distance. Focal distance is nothing but a distance of a point P on the parabola from its focus is called the focal distance of the point P. So SP is the focal distance of the point P. So the focal distance of P x1 y1 on the parabola y square is equal to 4x is simply SP. In our proof of standard for parabola equation standard form, SP is equal to PM. PM is yes, x1 plus a is the PM. So here PM is nothing but SP. So SP is the focal distance of the point P x1 y1. So focal distance of the point P x1 y1 on the parabola is x1 plus a is the focal distance. This formula is useful to a 2 marks problem in our IPE. Now parametric equations of the parabola. X is equal to at square, y is equal to 2at are called parametric equations of the parabola y square is equal to 4x for all real values of t. If we take one value for t, we have 1 point. Take another value for t, we have another point which is on the parabola. Okay. So the point at square 2at is generally denoted by point t or p of t. Okay. Now we discuss some problems. Find the vertex focus equation of the directrix axis and length of the lattice rectum of the parabola y square is equal to 16x. Given parabola is y square is equal to 16x. Here this is of the form y square is equal to 4ax. So 4a is equal to 16, a is equal to 4. So this is in the standard form, y square 16x is in the standard form, y square is equal to 4x. So in the standard form in case 1, vertex a is equal to 0, 0. Focus S is equal to a0. Here a is equal to 4, so 4, 0. And equation of the directrix is x plus a is equal to 0. So x plus here a is 4, x plus 4 is equal to 0. Equation of the axis is here square is for y, so y is equal to 0 is the equation of the axis. And length of the lattice rectum in our formula 4a. 4a is equal to 16. Okay. Now another problem. Find the vertex focus equation of the directrix axis and length of the lattice rectum of the parabola x square minus 6x minus 6y plus 6 is equal to 0. This is not in the standard form. First we convert this is of the form x minus h whole square is equal to 4e into y minus k. This is the given parabola x square minus 6x minus 6y plus 6 is equal to 0. Put x terms to the left side and take away the remaining terms to right side. So x square minus 6x is equal to 6y minus 6. The left side form is x square minus 2ab plus b square for x minus h whole square is equal to 4e into y minus k. So for that x square minus, write the 6 as 2 into 3 into x. This is the form a square minus 2ab. So here b is equal to 3. So b square is equal to 9. So adding 9 on both sides. Now this is of the form x square minus 2 into 3 into x plus 9 is equal to, add 9 also to right side, 6y minus 6 plus 9. So the LHS is x minus 3 whole square is equal to 6y, 9 minus 6 is equal to 3. That is equal to, take 6 as common, 6 into y plus 1 by 2. This is x minus 3 whole square is equal to 6 into y minus of minus 2, because to our form x minus h whole square is equal to 4 into y minus k. So y minus k, but here y plus 12, 1 by 2. So you write this as y minus of minus 1 by 2. Now this is of the form y x minus h whole square is equal to 4a into y minus k. Here hk, h is x minus h is 3, k is equal to minus 1 by 2. 4a is equal to 6. So now we comparing with x minus h whole square is equal to 4 into y minus k. H is equal to 3, k is equal to minus 1 by 2, 4e is equal to 6. From this a is equal to 6 by 4, that is equal to 1 by 2. Now formulas. So in our case 6, x minus h whole square is equal to 4 into y minus k case. So vertex hk is equal to 3 minus 1 by 2. Focus s is equal to h comma k plus a. H is 3, k is minus 1 by 2, a is 3 by 2, that is 3 comma 1. The equation of the directrix is y is equal to k minus a. So y is equal to k is equal to minus 1 by 2 minus a is 3 by 2, that is equal to y plus 2 is equal to 0. Equation of the axis is x minus h is equal to 0, that is x minus 3 is equal to 0. Length of the lattice rectum is 4a, 4 is 6. Okay, this is 4 marks problem in our IPE. Now very important problem. Find the coordinates of the point on the parabola y square is equal to 8x whose focal distance is 10. This is very important in our IPE. Given parabola is y square is equal to 8x. Comparing with y square is equal to 4x, 4e is equal to 8, a is equal to 2. Now let p x1 y1 be the point on the parabola. That is our required point. The focal distance of the point p x1 y1 is x1 plus a in our formula. In our problem given that is equal to 10. So x1 plus a is equal to 10. x1 plus here a is equal to 2. So x1 plus 2 is equal to 10. x1 is equal to 8. But p x1 y1 is on the parabola y square is equal to 8x. So substitute x1 y1 on the parabola y square is equal to 8x. We have y1 square is equal to 8x1. So y1 square is equal to 8 into, already we find the value of x1, that is equal to 8. So 8 into 8. So y1 square is equal to 64. y1 is equal to plus or minus 8. So our required point is equal to x1 y1, that is equal to 8 comma plus or minus 8. Very important to our IP for 2 marks. Take some homework. Find the vertex, focus, equation, directrix, length of the lattice rectum of the given parabola. Second, find the coordinates of the point on the parabola y square is 2x whose focal distance is 5 by 2. This is also very important given our IP. Okay, thank you one and all.